In this video, I want to talk about how you can add a back to top button in WordPress. Now keep in mind, to do this, I suggest using a plugin, and before you can use a plugin, you need to upgrade to a plan instead of the free one. So I'm currently on the free one, but if you want to use plugins, you gotta upgrade your account. But the way that you can do the back to top button is you want to head down to plugins, search for WordPress front, just like this, WP front, press enter, and they will have one right here called WP front scroll top. What you want to do is simply get to this one, buy this one, it's free, so just get this one. And once you've gotten this, what you need to do is it should open up automatically, but if it doesn't open up, just go to your plugins and you will come to the settings in here. Then simply what you need to do is just press on the activate button. Then you can simply choose where you want to put it on your site, and now it should work. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.